Great, welcome back to another week of word work. This week we're going to continue our learning about contractions. Last week we were introduced to the idea that contractions can be two different words, that you remove some of the letters and replace them with an apostrophe, which is like a flying comma. And so today our job is we are going to make contractions. I can make contractions. And we're doing this to expand our knowledge of words. We know that a contraction is quicker to write and quicker to say. And so a lot of times in our normal speaking voices, we'll use contractions a lot because it just makes it so much faster to say. And this week we are going to be working on 3 different contractions. We're going to be working on contractions that end with is, are, and have. So 3 sight words that we know by heart now. And we're going to go through the different rules that you do for combining them into a contraction. So remember, a contraction is 2 words where you remove some of the letters and replace them with an apostrophe to make one new word. So my first one, let's look at the is category, okay? So my first one is that is. So I could say like, that is my toy. Now I could make that quicker by making it into a contraction. So in order to combine this into a contraction, it's super easy. All you have to do is get rid of that I and then replace it with an apostrophe. So you just write that, apostrophe S. Hi, Handel. That's my cat, Handel. Here he is. Just wants to sit on my shoulders, I think, during this. And so for our next one, we have who is. And again, we could say, who is this crazy cat? It's Handel. And so all we have to do, again, is say goodbye to that I, bye I, and then we can write the word who. I'm writing with my left hand because of my friend on my shoulder. Who, apostrophe, S. Whose. Who's the best kitty cat? This guy. And then our last one in our is category is there is. There is a tabby on my shoulders. So again, with the same rule, we can say goodbye to that I, goodbye I, and replace it with an apostrophe. So you just write your sight word there. Again, I'm writing with my left hand because of our furry friend. Apostrophe S. Theirs. Now, this can work for way more words than just that's, whose, and theirs. You could say he's, right? He's. Or she's. So it could work for a lot of different words. Hi, buddy. On our next one, we are going to take a look at the R's. Okay? So the first 2 words we have are we are. We are having fun. So this is exactly like we did with our is. All you have to do is say goodbye to the A and replace it with an apostrophe. And then you made a contraction. We're. Right? We are gets changed into we're. We're having fun. We are having fun. The next one is they are. Now, all you have to do again for this one is say goodbye to the A, goodbye A, and then replace the A with an apostrophe. They, apostrophe, are, E, there. So you could say they are my neighbors, or you could say they're my neighbors. It means the same thing. One way is just so much faster to say than the other. And our last one here is you are. You are a good kitty cat, Handel. You just have to take away the A and replace it with our apostrophe. So we write our sight word you, Y-O-U, apostrophe, R-E, your. So you are a good cat and you're a good cat mean the same thing. Just want it over here. And then the last one we have are haves. We have we have, you have, they have, I have. So for we have, again, all we have to do is say, instead of saying goodbye to 1 letter this time, though, we get to say goodbye to 2 letters. We say goodbye to the H and the A, and then we get to replace it with an apostrophe and we have weave. Just like that. So we could say, we have tortilla chips. Say weave. So we have tortilla chips. Weave tortilla chips. Super fast and easy. Next one, you have. You just have to take away the H and the A again. Write your sight word you. Y-O-U. Apostrophe V-E. You have been a crazy kitty cat. Or you could say, you've been a crazy kitty cat. Okay, bye, Andal. Oh, so much better. And next one is they have. So again, you just have to say goodbye to the H and the A. Write the word they with an apostrophe V-E. They have everything you need, or they've everything you need. And the last one is I have. Again, goodbye to H and the A. Hello to uppercase I, apostrophe V-E. I've been excited to have our class Zoom calls with you every day. And so today we learned how to take is, are, and have words and take them and make them into contractions. So in your Seesaw app, you have a spelling paper where you're going to see the two words with the rule, and then you're going to write the contraction, and then you're going to practice writing a sentence with one of each of these words from the categories, okay? So I'll see you back here tomorrow to learn even more about these contractions. All right, bye, first grade.